Hello, guys. We did Ellen DeGeneres. A little background about her. She was born on January 26, 1958, in Louisiana. She's a popular comedian, author, and host of a TV show. After some breakthroughs and failed attempts, she finally made her big mark with her show, The Ellen DeGeneres Show, that first aired in 2003. The trait perspective refers to the personality that is based on identifying and measuring the specific traits of human personality. Paulo Costa and Robert McCrae introduced the Big Five theory, which basically breaks down the trait perspective of human personality. Ellen was very outgoing and fun. She was always ready to try new things. She is motivated by everything that has put her down, and she's also motivated by all of the success she has made. She is very generous when it comes to donating to other organizations and helping other people that are in need. Definitely an extrovert and enjoys to talk and be around other people. She's very cooperative and enjoys having fun with other people, and she's very easygoing and laid back.